if you want to learn how to make crystals, you came to the right show. So first, so when we make it, we have to first have all the things, and you have to put boiling hot water,
50 mils.
50 mils, into a container, and after a week, is it a week? After a week, it should be grown, and make it warm. Otherwise, if you put it in a cold area, it will probably take about 3 weeks or so. 3 weeks to grow. So put it like on a windowsill. So you put the boiling hot water into the container.
And then now you've got to choose what colour.
Then you choose what colour. There's lots of options.
So green.
You can choose green, orange, blue, another orangey, lost my mind, like a brownish colour, and white. You can choose out of all of them. What should we choose, Mum? I know.
What do you reckon?
Hold on. I know. Blue.
All
Blue
right.
will be probably a nice colour. So you must wear gloves. You must wear gloves, okay? If you don't have gloves.
So what you got to do is carefully cut open your chosen bag of powder. Take half a teaspoon of powder out before you tip it in. Okay? So put it on there. So would you like to go get some scissors?
Yes. Hold on, guys. My cat is trying to get in the garage. I'm going to tell her off. Hello, no. Even though she can't. I'll get some. Good luck. I got the red ones. Pick it, Mum.
Alright. So we got to cut this open. Then you're meant to get half a teaspoon, but I don't have a teaspoon, so we're just going to get a little bit like that.
We don't have a teaspoon, so we're going to do that.
Put it like
okay?
that onto a spare plate.
Onto a spare plate. We got a bunny rabbit one.
Now you can tip that in the water.
And tip all of this into the boiling hot water in the container.
Pour the larger quantity of crystal powder into the water. Mix the solution with the popsicle stick.
Popsicle stick, if you find this popsicle
Until the
stick.
crystal powder dissolves. So mix it until it dissolves.
Mix it with this until it dissolves. Your mum and dad will tell you what that means. So if you
Then we got to wait 10 minutes.
And if you want to know, just tell your mum and dad. Pause the show and tell your mum and dad. Then they'll help you. Mix it, leave it for 10 minutes, and
then we do the next step.
Then we do the next step.
So mix.
Mix and mix.
Until the crystals dissolve.
Until the crystals dissolve.
I'll set my timer for 10 minutes.
And please ring the bell and subscribe. But not yet, until you see lots of videos of me. I already have about one, which I'm singing. And as you see, if you saw, I lost a tooth. Me, Evie, and my mum.
Okay, so when you finish mixing, press start on the timer, and we got to wait 10 minutes, and then you can put your rock in there.
Okay.
So this is a bag of rocks.
Bag of rocks. So is it dissolved?
Let me look.
Let your parents look
Let me
first. Might not know.
I don't want this to stain the table. Okay. Yep, that looks good. So now, press start. And we got to wait 10 minutes before we can put this rock in.
These gloves are a bit big for me.
Okay, cool. So, that's just waiting 10 minutes.
So put a timer on your phone. Ask your mom and dad. Just play like a game while you're waiting. Don't worry, it's going quick.
So basically you're waiting 10 minutes till this gets cooler.
Yeah, till this gets cooler. Basically, you're waiting 10 minutes.
And then after that, we've got to gently drop this in.
Who's excited to make some crystals? Me.
Wait, gently drop your rock into the bottom of the crystal display container with...
Remember, it takes a week, and if you put it in the cold area, it'll take 3 weeks. So I would put it in a windowsill, it says.
Okay, so after this, we're going to put this in. Use the popsicle stick to make sure this is in the middle of the container.
Akumatada.
And then we're going to sprinkle that over the top, apparently.
And it's still
And then
early.
after that, we need to place this somewhere warm, like a windowsill.
Like a windowsill, yeah.
Make sure it's up high where someone can't knock it over.
Yeah, otherwise if you walk and it's down low and you don't see it, you'll smash into the bench and it'll fall over or spill on something. And I'm pretty sure it'll take literally lots of days or hours to clean it up. Because if it's hard, it's really going to hurt if it lands on something. So it's better off to put it high. And somewhere that's not, wobbly. But not on your fish tank. Not on your fish tank. No. Better have gloves on. Pull them up, kiddos.
And then that's all we do. Once we put that in and put it on the windowsill, then we got to wait.
Sorry, fly. Oh, it's nearly over.
No, not quite.
Not quite nearly over. Let's just talk to each other.
So we can read some facts here.
We can read some facts.
So, curious crystals. Follow the path through the crystal garden to get some crystal facts. So, there's not much room to grow in here. All things are made up of tiny, invisible parts called atoms and molecules. Crystals are made up of solid material. Those atoms and molecules are organized into a neat 3D pattern.
Hold on, Mum. I'm going to go get a teddy. You guys just listen to my mum. Bye-bye.
They are formed in the earth, speedy and slow.
Want to watch shower while I'm in the pool, or do you want me to get out and have a shower?
So as you can see, there's many facts on the crystals.
And I got my friend here, Alvin. I got the rest except for Jeanette and Eleanor, but just chose Alvin. He's a very good helper, even though he's naughty. Mwah.
So we're only up to 3 minutes, people. We need to wait till 10.
We need to wait till 10. 3 minutes. Yeah, rock and roll. What?
Yeah, so colourful crystals. Some people believe that crystals can help you, that their colours can play a part. Need to be creative? Try an orange crystal. Need some joy? A yellow crystal. Or maybe a blue diamond will cheer you up. A diamond will certainly bring out your wealth.
That's right. And I just read there's a little birdie here and a pathway on this. And it says, the birdie said, I'm going to tweet about this place. Who knows what that means, Mum? Because I have no idea.
It's going to talk about all the magical crystals that are on this path journey.
Yeah.
So we're nearly up to 5 minutes, people. We're getting there.
Mum, just say ladies and gentlemen. I don't think it's very polite to say people.
So
she's harmless.
we have
She's good. She's really good.
clear crystals,
She's the best mum ever.
green crystals. Oh, this is actually pink. We thought this was brown. It says pink. So that makes pink crystals.
But we picked blue.
Red crystals. And orange crystals. I'm actually bummed that this is pink because I would have picked pink.
Bum. laugh. Have a laugh, gentlemen. Because you're about to be amazed by the next day. By the next day, well, after a week, or if you put
Well,
it
it
in
says 2 to 3 days you should see them growing. And then after a week, they'll be fully grown.
Yeah, but if you put it in the cold, remember, if you
This
put...
is the box, see? Crystal making.
And if you put it in the cold area, it will take 3 weeks. So I'll put it on a windowsill. Do I
All right,
make
we're nearly there, people. 6 minutes.
Do I make myself clear? Great.
Then after, we got to put the rock in very carefully and use this same stick to make sure it's in the middle of the container. Opens boogers.
What a wonderful text message.
No, they're actually positive affirmations. It says nice words,
Oh!
but it's gone now. Come on, time. Hurry up.
Come on, time. Oh my goodness. Use your hands. Mom.
7 minutes.
7 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare for 7 minutes. Okay, maybe that was a little loud. You might have a laugh at this video, but it's really teaching you. So if you want to learn again, just go on YouTube and find our video.
Which will be called Making Crystals with Evie and her mum.
Yep. Search Making Crystals with Evie and her mummy. Woo, woo. Yeah. Ow. Okay. Or just search Making Crystals and maybe this video will pop up. So if you're out of school, well, it's going to be fun. Well, I know it's the holidays right now, or the weekend, should I say. Oh my God, my brain is bursting. If you're at school, you're going to have loads of fun making crystals. But just listen to your teacher if you're at school, okay?
Nearly there.
Nearly there. How much minutes?
It's 8 minutes 30, so you're nearly there.
8 minutes 30. I know, I don't know what that means. Ask your mama, or your dad, or your brother, or your big brother. I don't know if your big brother, or no, I don't know if your little brother will know, because, yeah, they only in little kindergarten, or kindy, or,
Toddler.
Oh, toddler, if you're a toddler too.
Right, 9 minutes. 1 more minute, people.
1 more minute, ladies and gentlemen. Goodness gracious. If you guys are being patient, good job. Give you a pat on your back. Well, it doesn't matter if you're talking in this wait, but by the way, you can talk unless if you're at school and your teacher says not talk, be patient and listen to your teacher. Do it. Okay? Always listen to your teacher. And if you're at home, you may talk. Okay?
All right, 10 minutes. So now place the rock in very carefully, Evie girl.
Place the rock
In carefully.
because it's very, 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 very delicate. Because it's very delicate, put it in softly, and it's over.
Okay, put it in.
Put it in, and it's over 10 minutes.
Make sure it's in the middle.
And make sure it's in the middle. think it's a good idea to wear
Let's turn
gloves.
it back over.
Because look, it's a good idea to wear gloves because I have blue
Helpful
all over.
stick to move this and da 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 da.
Whoa!
Move back or you're gonna spill it.
Okay. Dad, we're on TV, you know.
Alright, and then now we just have to pour this over the top. Oops.
Carefully.
Yeah, not like I just did.
Not like Mum just did. No, not like that. If you want to, don't. If you need help, just ask your mum. Pause the video. It's okay. It's not like there's a big deal.
Alright, so now we're gonna put it on the windowsill.
Now we're going to put it on the windowsill.
And now you have to wait. Thank you for watching us.
Thank you for watching. Very kind.